Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another beauty book to share with you, and this time it's from spacenk, and it's the Bestsellers edit. Now this isn't new. It was released a couple of months ago, but the reason I bought it is because I had a discount off it. There are 7 different boxes in all. This one costs £40 and has a value of £75, and they go up to, I think the most expensive one is £230. I took advantage of the 20% off, so instead of paying £40, I paid £32 for it. But if you're interested in this box for yourself or any of the other boxes, then you'll find them listed down below in my description, as well as my giveaways on Instagram to win advent calendars and my discount codes and things like that. You'll find them all listed down below, so you're welcome to take a look there. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside the Bestsellers edit. This is my very first beauty box from spacenk. Starting off with my current favourite product that I'm using daily. This is Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, is salicylic acid. It's for all skin types, unclogs and shrinks enlarge pores, smooths and even skin tone. And we've got 30 mils here, so it's a little mini one there. This is brilliant. It leaves my skin feeling super soft. I might still have lumps and bumps and scars and things like that, but after I've used it and then I'm applying my serums and moisturisers, my skin just feels so smooth. It is really, really lovely. And I've been using it now for a couple of months and I can't see myself stopping unless something better comes. I don't know. I do think it's an amazing product. Definitely up in like top 5 skincare products for me. Then we've got some flash patches from Patchology. These are rejuvenating eye gels. There's one pair here. It just says that anytime perk me up, and yeah, basically that is all it says. And it goes on to telling you in French, I think, what they're supposed to be used for. Place one pair of gels onto clean, dry under eye area for 5 minutes or longer if desired, and then discard after use. Really great for popping in a fridge before you use them, just for that extra factor underneath your eyes. Then we've got Sol de Janeiro. This is Bum Bum Cream. This smells amazing. It is gorgeous. I love the packaging. This is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I have got a few of these now. There's 75 mils in this pot. It is beautiful. It is such a gorgeous cream. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. So nice. Yeah. Late night showers, I cover myself in it, head to toe. Infused with all-powerful guarana extract. Fast absorbing body cream, and that's about it really. But yeah, it says here, helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. So there's that. Then we have got here JVN Complete Instant Recovery Serum, made with clean hemisqualane, silicone-free, sulfate-free, colour-free and vegan. Now I don't know anything about this serum. It's for your hair, so distribute through damp hair to protect against heat damage. Hair will look and feel so silky serene, you'll ask for its meditation secrets. I really hope that it works on my hair. I'm wearing a halo hair extension to thicken up the ends of my hair, but my hair's not great at the minute. Look at the packaging, that's quite cool, isn't it? Yeah. My hair is not great at the minute. My hair's a bob at the moment. It's about there. So when I wash it and blow dry it, it's all right. It looks all right. But the slightest bit of movement outside, it just hangs with no shape. I can't blow dry it smooth, you know, with it curling under or anything like that. That just sounds really old-fashioned to me. But you know what I mean? Just to smooth it, unless I put a ton of hairspray on it so it doesn't budge. But yeah, just left naturally, it just looks awful. So using oils on dry hair does not work, even just a slight bit, you know, my hair's too thin. But actually applying a serum before I dry it, that sounds quite good. Plus it's a heat protectant as well. It smells absolutely amazing. So yeah, so this appealed to me, so I can't wait to give that a go. If you've tried this, please let me know what you think about it. And then lastly in the box then, we've got something by Rare Beauty. My first ever product from Rare Beauty. This is a lip souffle in shade Brave. I love the Rare Beauty packaging. This colour looks stunning so far. Is it the same as the bottle? Yes it is. Oh my gosh, this rusty autumnal burnt orange. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. That is gorgeous. Really, really happy with this. It's in shade Brave. So there we go. Short and sweet, just a few products in the box, but it has a value of £75. Retails for £40. I had 20% off, so I paid £32 for it. Yeah, not a bad box. Not a bad box. No wonder it's a bestsellers sort of edit. I'd love to hear your thoughts though. Did you get this box when it was first released a couple of months ago, or any of the others? Or are you watching this for the first time thinking, ooh, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.